Hi everyone. So I was explaining about the classification of phylum Coelenterate. In that class Hydrozoa and class Scyphozoa I already explained. So next is third class, that is Anthozoa. So here antho means flower, zoas means animal. So flower like animals comes under the class Anthozoa. So these organisms are solitary or colonial and exclusively marine form. So they are exclusively marine form, and these are exclusively polypoid. So medusoid stage completely absent in the class Anthozoa. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆ ಪಾಲಿಪಾಯ್ಡ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೆಡುಸಾಯ್ಡ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಪಾಯ್ಡ್ ಝೂಯಾಯ್ಡ್, ಮೆಡುಸಾಯ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ಟುಗೆದರ್ absent. So next, body is usually cylindrical body. You can see here. So this is the example of sea anemone, or it is also calling as metridium. So here body of the organism is cylindrical. Okay, so body is cylindrical, hexamerous or octomerous or pentamerous, biradially or radio bilateral symmetry. So here body is usually cylindrical with hexamerous, octomerous or polymerous, biradial or radio bilaterally symmetrical. Then the oral end of the body. So the oral end of the body is expanded. So is expanded radially into an oral disc. So this is oral disc. So which bears a more than numerous hollow tentacles. So the hollow tentacles which surrounds the mouth. Okay, so here the oral end of the body expanded radially into oral disc. So here the presence of oral disc which expands radially, and the mouth is completely surrounded by hollow tentacles. So the stromidium is present, which the stromidium is present with one or more ciliated grooves, and gastrovascular cavity is divided into compartments, that is by complete or incomplete septa or mesenteries. So here the gastrovascular cavity is divided as a mesenteries. So this gastrovascular cavity is divided into many compartments, that is calling as mesenteries. So here mesenteries bears nematocyst. Okay, so mesenteries that bears nematocyst. You already know the function of nematocyst. So where the nematocyst located here? So in the mesenteries. So hence mesenteries bears nematocyst. And here the mesoglia. So presence of outer and ectodermal region, and in between that there is a presence of mesoglia. So mesoglia is here fibrous connective tissue. So mesoglia that contains fibrous connective tissue and amoeboid cells. Okay, so presence of amoeboid cells in the mesoglia region. And your skeleton is either external or internal. So exoskeleton, that is formed from calcium carbonate. Okay, so here exoskeleton formed from calcium carbonate, which often forms massive corals. So here the exoskeleton is formed from calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate in the formation agutte. So calcium carbonate that form the exoskeleton, and here which often forms massive corals. Okay, so formation of massive corals. And the nervous system. So here nervous system is in the form of typical nerve net without a concentrated central nervous system. So here formation of nerve net without any concentrated nerves or a nervous system. Then the gonads are endodermal and developed in mesenteries. So in the class Hydrozoa, the gonads are ectodermal in origin. In Scyphozoa, the gonads are endodermal in origin. So here also the gonads are endodermal in origin, but it develops in the mesenteries. Okay. Then here the sexual product or the sex cells which are discharged into cylindron. Okay, so enteron cavity. So in that cavity the sex cells are released or discharged. Then the fertilization is external. So fertilization here external. The fertilized egg develops into a planula larva. Okay, so the fertilization external here. So the developed egg, that is the egg is developed into a planula larva, which after a short free life it settles down and develops into an adult. Okay, so here also development is indirect because here formation of larval stage, so hence development is indirect. So examples, Metridium are also calling as sea anemone, then Heliopora, Favia, Madrepora, etc. So in the class Anthozoa, these organisms are solitary or colonial in nature and marine form. They are exclusively marine. So here they exhibit polypoid generation, medusoid stage completely absent, the body is cylindrical, hexamerous, octomerous or polymerous, radiobilateral symmetrical. Oral end of the body expanded radially, that into a oral disc, the mouth which surrounded by a hollow tentacles. So gastrovascular cavity which divides into many compartments, those that is calling as mesenteries. So mesenteries bears nematocyst. So mesoglia here, that contains fibrous connective tissue and amoeboid cells. So exoskeleton is formed from calcium carbonate, which often form massive corals. So here gonad are endodermal in origin, which develops in mesenteries. So sexual product discharged into cylindron. So fertilization is external. So this is about the class Anthozoa. Thank you.